Oh my gosh, you guys, you're gonna be proud of me. I'm moving up in the world. I am actually in a suite today. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. It's gonna be a great time. Come check it out with me. Welcome back, you guys. I am actually being really fancy pants today because I'm filming this on Easter, so I thought I would book a suite and check out their steakhouse today to show you guys. We are in an executive one-bedroom suite. It's 742 square feet. When you walk in, there is a sitting area like a family room. So there's a couch and a chair that I'm sitting on now and a TV. So you can kind of hang out in this area. And then you walk a little further down and they have a dining room with a table. You can actually sit at a table for 4. And if you find something else you can sit on, you can pull up 2 more chairs and make it a table for 6. And if you step back a little bit, they have a kitchen area, which you can't cook in. There's not a stove or anything, but there's a very large counter space to set down a bunch of food if you have friends over. There's a sink. And yay, there is a coffee maker with, they've got some Keurig cups for different types of coffee. There's also a refrigerator, so it's completely empty. If you bring in your own food, which people often do, or beer or drinks or whatever it may be, ooh, don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure you could sneak that in. You can put it in the refrigerator. I just have water. There's also a 1-bedroom king-size bed with a, of course, bathroom, no bathtub, but shower area, and I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, from the sitting area, let's actually walk into the bedroom. This is exactly what it looks like when I came in. So very nice, large mirror. Check out yourself before you go out for the evening. It's very floral. So I was trying to get an option for a executive 1-bedroom with 2 beds, but they only have it with a king-size bed. I took my mom here for Easter and she actually said, oh, there's only 1 bed. So obviously she doesn't want to sleep next to me. The bed is fairly large. Alrighty. And you saw the TV and the desk. You know what I noticed? There's a lot of drawer space here. Look at all this. Okay, let's walk in. I love big rooms, you guys. I mean, a deluxe is a great deal, but having all this space is nice. There is a closet. I put a few of our things in here, so you're gonna see some things. Ironing board, safe, iron. Boo, no extra pillows. I guess we have to ask for that. Here is the bathroom. Alrighty, here is the sink. There's a lot of cabinet space. You know what I noticed though? They didn't overdo like a bunch of towels in here. There's a soap. And is that lotion? Yes. Not a bunch of towels in here, just enough for 2 people. Here is the toilet. See, look. Usually they give a bunch of towels, but of course, I'm sure you can ask for it. They actually have little tubes of shampoo. Actually, walk in here. See what they have. Here it is. That is the shower head. And that's the bathroom. I like the floor. Look at that. I like actually the kind of faux wood. And this is the bedroom. Put your suitcase there if you want. Here it is from this side. I like it, it's nice. It's actually really nice. I mean, it's not like super modern, obviously. It's just kind of your traditional suite, but I like it. If you're wondering what the pool looks like in the fitness center and the casino floor, I actually stayed here in a deluxe room and I did a full walkthrough of all of those things. I will link that video in the description box below. But for now, I am hungry. It's time to have Easter dinner. We're gonna head over to Cornerstone for some fancy fine dining and some steaks. Let's go. Okay, this is what we're starting with. Look how fluffy the bread is. And that's butter. I'm not really sure what that is on the right, but it looks delicious. You guys, I'm just on the bread and it is so good. It's so fluffy. And you know they have the butter that's like whipped. It's delicious. So I decided I'm gonna have the bone-in ribeye with a loaded baked potato and sauteed spinach and no appetizer because I'm going to save room for dessert. Can't wait to show you guys. Here's our salad, and this is some cream of ginger other soup, which I tried is very good. You guys, I'm starving, so I just got a really simple house salad with blue cheese. So here's our order. I have a loaded baked potato and a bone-in ribeye smothered with wild mushrooms. It's crazy. And a prime rib. Hey you guys, I got the bone-in ribeye and I asked for wild mushrooms on top. Look how smothered it is. And my loaded baked potato. I don't know if you guys can see this. Damn, it's loaded. I'm excited. I am so excited to try this. I can't even see the steak. It's so smothered. But it looks like, you know what though? It does look, I only wanted it medium well. It looks a little burned. Or maybe that's just the ends, but. Oh no, it's tender. It's delicious. It's so good. It is dessert time, so I got a plantains foster, which is very similar to a banana foster. They actually poured this already on top, but they give you extra on the side. Oh my God, you guys, delish. I'm going in. Oh my God. It's so good. Look at that. I checked with the front desk because people always ask me, what is the exact rate of what you pay? So of course that varies depending on the day that you book. But today's Easter, I'm staying for one night. It was about $200. Plus there is a resort fee of about $32. And there's taxes on that resort fee. So that comes out to be about $37. So it's $200 plus $37 for the resort fee, plus they have a 13% tax on the room, which also would vary depending on how you book your room because it's always cheaper to book online. So if you decide to book it another way, obviously the taxes will be different based on your room rate. So that would be what the room rate is. I will put that on the screen for today. I will also link their site in the description box below so you guys can get the exact rate based on the day that you book. It's time for me to head out, but before I go, please like and share this video and comment. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It really does help my channel grow. I have this crazy, crazy dream of someday reaching 100,000 subscribers. Who knows, maybe in the future. Thanks for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at inandoutofvegas.